Dear friends, today I will discuss section 136 from chapter 22 of the Indian Patent Act or the Patents Act 1970. The title is Special Provisions Relating to Convention Application. Fine. So let us proceed through our subsections and key points. Fine. Okay. Subsection 1 says every convention application shall, clause A, we can say, clause A says every convention application shall be accompanied by a complete specification, and clause B says every convention application shall specify the date on which and the convention country in which the first of such applications was made. Okay, and clause C says every convention application shall state that no application for protection with respect to the invention made in a convention country before that day by the applicant or by any person from whom he derives title. Okay, friends, I have read it like this because to make it more clear, because we will definitely will read it as every convention application shall be accompanied by a complete specification, and while reading clause B, we should read it like every convention application shall specify the date. Likewise, that's why I have read like this, nothing else, to make you more clear. Okay, so here the or we can say observe the underlined words. These are the keywords from which or by concentrating on which this explanation will be more clear. Fine. Okay. Next one is subsection 2. As per the provisions of section 10, a complete specification filed with a convention application may include claims with respect to developments of or addition to the invention in respect of which the application for protection was made in a convention country, being developments or additions in respect of which the applicant would be entitled under section 6 to make a separate application for a patent. Here also just observe the underlined words. Okay, and for reference I have written here that section 10 is contents of specifications and section 6 is persons entitled to apply for patents. Fine. Next one is subsection 3. A convention application shall not be post dated under subsection 1 of section 17 to a date later than the date on which the application could have been made under the provisions of this act. Just for reference, I have written here that subsection 1 of section 17 says, it says that no application shall be post dated later than 6 months from the date on which it was actually made or would, but for the provisions of this subsection, be deemed to have been made. Fine. Okay. And for reference, I have written here what is section 17. The title is Power of Controller to make orders respecting dating of application. Respecting post dating of application. Just a minute, friends. Just a minute. Just give me 1 second. 1 second. Just a minute, friends, please. No, this is right. Just I was checking whether I have made any typo mistake or not, but it is right. Yeah. What is section 17? The title is Power of Controller to make orders respecting dating of application. Fine. Okay, friends. So this way all the subsections of section 136 is completed. So please go through my video. Please go through the bare act as well. Please share my video among your friends and please subscribe my channel. Put your queries, compliments, comments in my comment box. Thank you so much, friends, for your patience, for listening to my audio and for watching my video. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay blessed.